As the third and final article website we are going to be taking a look at is Longreads. Longreads.com. Now this particular site is completely different from the two last ones we have treated, talking about Listverse and Cracked.com. Is totally different from them in that it doesn't base its acceptance on list formats, but it's more of a storytelling or essay-like or memo-like website to give personal experiences. Now these are some of their articles. You go through the website and see the type of articles that they have set. It's more, let's open up this, it's more of like storytelling. See the bigamist daughter, they are more of like storytelling. So now see their latest post. The very first thing you do when you come to any website is try to know about them. I said this earlier on, it's very important. Don't start looking for the sign up button. And what you should know is that this particular website is owned by Automatic. Automatic is owned by WordPress. So it is a very legit site, and their pay is the largest so far of all the three. And this is the kind of website articles that they have set. This story was funded by Longreads member. You see, it's a gloomy April afternoon in Aurora. I'm sitting on there. You see, it's storytelling. It's more like a novel. So it has personal touches. So that's it. See this one too, secret museums. I was a freshman in high school when it's more of a story like telling. I see it 4,291 words. You have to be good, about 16 minutes read. So these are the kind of articles that they have set, more of storytelling. See this one, 4,500 plus. In 1964, when my mother was pregnant, when she found out that her husband had married another woman, that woman was pregnant as well. So you see, all these are in story-like form. So that's the kind of articles that they have set. Now what you do is that you come to the website. You don't just rush. You open it all to see what the website is about. This is their about, what they are all about. You read it up, understand who you are working for. Very important. You see the frequently asked questions, the questions that people are asking about them. You open it, go through it. Here is submission, here is membership. Now if you click on membership, if you open up membership, you are going to be seeing price lists, because normally you see membership, you say okay, you want to become a member, and $50 per year, $100 one time, then $5 per month. Please, you don't pay for this website, it is free. This one is for people that are donating. They just want to read articles in this website is free. But if you like what they are doing, you want to donate, you cannot donate to them like this. You click it and donate to them, and if you donate, they are going to send you this bag wherever you are in the world. So that's just what they are trying to tell you there, not that you are paying for the articles. Do you understand? You are not paying to get your articles published. So this is a Longreads and their fact section, frequently asked section. So you open it, you read it up. So that's just it. Now if you are interested in writing for Longreads, and you should be, what you do is that time is fast spent, you click on submissions. The moment you click on submissions, it's going to take you here. Do you understand? You don't try and start signing up. There is no sign up. You just pitch your essay. You write your essay. You submit your essay here. You can send your story links here. So just read up the side. If you would like to pitch us an original story for publication, so you send it. you send it here. The full story, you send it here. But if you would just like to pitch, you understand, the link, just want to let them know, then you use you send it at Longreads on Twitter. But personal story, you send it to essays@longreads.com and memo, where they will be considered for by essays editor Sari Burton. Now it is very, very important that you read before you submit. Read their guide to submitting personal essays, and this is where it is. This is their guide. It is very, very important. You read it up and see what they are looking for and how they pay. Now see, the pieces should be between 2,500 words and longer, not lower. You understand? And what do they pay? They pay $500 for such. $500. All essay styles are welcome, whether singular focus, braided, lyric, collage, as long as there is one clear thread that runs through the story. The story should focus, it should have a story arc. So I'm not going to spend time reading all this, but you go through it meticulously, carefully, and see how it is supposed to be done and what they don't like. Do you understand? They even pay as much as, I've gone through the site before, they pay as much as even $1,000 depending on the kind of article. It depends on the kind of article that you are presenting to them. So when done with that, so you just pitch your, see all the type of essays. They have a long form investigative journalism, which pays base payment minimum is $1,500. You can see it there. So you just generally go through the site. It is very, very important. Longreads pays well. It is owned by WordPress, so it is a well-known paid article writing website. And then you do your things well with this article writing website, you will actually earn in the end. It's all about patience. All about patience and understanding what they need from you. Do proper research and attach your link for the first 2 article website. This one doesn't, you discover that there are no links. They don't require links at all, since it's mainly storytelling, except where it is needed. You are sourcing info and you are sourcing your storytelling from other places. So that's it. We'll come to the end of this particular business. Thank you.